Hi, hope you're doing fine. I'm Neep Praveen, the head of sales of Ayota Digital Services. Today, I would like to give you a general idea about our digital marketing course. If you would ask me to explain digital marketing in a single image, this should be it. So, digital marketing is basically generating traffic to your website through different platforms. It might be social media channels, it can be through Google or through email marketing. So social media is like if you have different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube. From there, you're generating links to your website. So people from there click and go to your website. So by search engine, I mean like when people search for certain keywords or certain queries in Google, and they click and they find the website there and click and come back to your site, or they just directly search for your website and come through Google. Email marketing is like you would have come across these emails from Myntra or Flipkart, Amazon kind of sites. So they just come up with these special offers. So if you click any of those images which you get in your mail, it takes you back to your website. So the ultimate aim of digital marketing is to generate traffic to your website. So you can ask me like if digital marketing entirely relies on a website or not. So it is like it totally depends on the business model. You can have an individual Facebook or LinkedIn page and do digital marketing for that page alone. So digital marketing mainly serves two purposes. It is like either lead generation or brand awareness or a combination of both. But the ultimate aim of digital marketing would be to reach the intended audience. So you'll be each and every business will have a target audience. So main aim of digital marketing is to reach those particular audience. So talking about digital marketing, in particular search engine marketing or search engine optimization, the platform which we will be concentrating more would be Google. So the main reason why we concentrate on Google is because it has the maximum net market share. So people mostly make search queries on Google when compared to other search engine platforms like Bing, Yahoo, or Yandex, or any kind of platform. So what all we learned related to Google will also be applicable for other platforms like Bing. So how does a typical search engine work? So like whenever you make a search query, you'll get a typical format. So first it's like you get the ads, then you get the local listings, and then you get the normal organic results. So the first results, which you get with the marker of AD, everything is related to ads. So this is more a bidding kind of technique. And using bidding, you can get your site listed on Google search rankings for selective keywords. Local listings is more related to the locality. Say, for example, you search for a restaurant in Velicheri or Annanagar. So those restaurants which are near your locality, from where you make the search, those restaurants will be available in the form of map listings. So organic results is the most important result. So this is like each and every company strives to get up to the search ladder of the Google search engine, doing several optimization works. So for this, you need to write blogs, you need to write a lot of content and push your site in the search rankings. You have two main types of results. One is like SEO results or organic results. The other one is the paid or SEM results. Talking about search engine marketing, so we'll be concentrating mostly on Google marketing. So you have mainly five types of ads. So you would have already seen about search ads, which we just showed you. So you have display ads, video ads, as well as app campaign. You also have one more kind of ad, which is known as shopping campaign. Say, for example, you are a seller in Flipkart or Amazon. You can generate traffic to that particular page, that seller page, through Google. So when a person clicks your ad here, he'll be taken to your Flipkart or Amazon seller page there. So this is how a typical display campaign works. So you would have come across this in your practical day-to-day life. So like you search for a product in Amazon or Flipkart, and when you go to another web page, you find a ad related to what you made search for. So this is a typical YouTube ad. So all these kind of ads can be generated through a platform called Google AdWords. So, talking about social media marketing, you would be using social media mainly for like liking, commenting, going through your favorite pages or celebrities. So companies generally didn't take social media marketing seriously, say like 6, 7 years back. But now the trends have like totally switched. So if you look at the numbers, you've got like several millions and billions of users in each and every platform. So say for example, you have in Facebook around 2.2 billion users currently. In YouTube, you have around like 2 billion users. In WhatsApp, 1.5 billion users. So like these numbers like keep on improving because smartphones are available at very cheap rates, as well as the internet plans are comparatively cheaper. The number of people using these platforms has increased in the recent times. And this is the reason why several companies take social media marketing seriously. So talking about social media platforms, you can like post a single image, you can post a carousel of images. And the same thing like what you do in Google marketing, you can run campaigns here as well. You can run campaigns for your single image, carousel of images, or a video as well. So we will also be learning about how different companies do social media marketing. So what kind of posts they do on their different channels, and how they consider each and every social media platform. So like each and every company work on different social media platforms differently. So the kind of post that they do for Facebook, Instagram would be totally different from what they post on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is entirely a B2B platform, a business to business platform. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter is more like a B2C platform. We will then be taking a look at how email marketing actually works. So there are several email marketing platforms. So you got platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit. So what these platforms actually do is like they help you run mass email marketing campaigns. So say for example, you are running a company and you want to send Diwali wishes to say 200 people at the same time. So like you can feed all these email addresses in your database and you can send them a Diwali wish at the same time. So this is how email marketing actually works. So you have a layout to work with. You can set a template, and you can also define the list which you need to send the mail, and you can in a single click you can send it away. So in addition to all that I've mentioned here, you will be getting a clear idea about the different Google tools. Say for example, this is how your analytics tool will look like. So you'll get different data as to from where you're getting traffic to your website. So like from which devices people are looking at your website and to watch what interest groups they belong to, as well as their age group. So this data will help you to further fine tune your marketing strategies. So in addition to this, we'll also be learning about Google My Business, so the local listings tool. So how can you like manage your local listings, as well as how you can reply to your reviews, as well as post photos in your local listings. So the main advantage of this training would be that you get to learn digital marketing from digital marketers. Iota Digital Services is a digital marketing agency as well as a training institute. So we've got around 15 clients and we are like doing SEO, SEM, social media marketing as well as email marketing for different clients. This training program will be handled by a marketing head, Mr. Ganesh Ramamurthy, who has over 8 years of experience in this field, and myself. Enjoy the learning experience. Thank you.